Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to win your very own 1/2 inch by 5 inch fatwood handle ferro rod. Alright, this is how you're going to do it. Right here's the handle. Alright, ain't that gorgeous? That is just good. Here, let me give you a close-up view of this, okay? All right, check this out. Ain't that gorgeous? Video does not do it justice. Got your orange glow-in-the-dark reflective paracord. So not only is it orange, it will stand out during the day. If you hit it with a flashlight, these little white spots will light up. Look at that fatwood goodness. All right. I could tell you the rules, but let's let James tell you the rules, okay? Check them out.
The rules for the giveaway are, number one, you got to be a subscriber. It's going to be a US only. You want to get on this giveaway and you're not a subscriber, then you got to hit that subscribe button. Say you're in the comment section, then that'll be one entry. If you do a video response, a shout out for this channel to grow my channel, that'll be 3 more entries. And if anyone comes over from your channel to mine and says that they're from your channel, you'll get an additional entry. I have one individual who is going to contribute to the giveaway. Should we just tell him? Yeah, we'll just tell him. Dark Matter is going to do a ferro rod and handle for us to add to the giveaway. And the prizes, I haven't bought any of the prizes yet. And I'm thinking about doing like an Amazon gift card, some type of tools or something. I really haven't thought about it. I'm going to do another video, an update video revealing the prizes when I get those. But we're going to go ahead and start the giveaway.
Wasn't that great? So if you want to get in, get on over there. Tell them Dark Matter sent you. All right? Tell them you're in. Tell them you subscribed. If you haven't subscribed, be like I subscribed. Got to be a subscriber to the channel. Remember the rules? All right, so subscribe if you haven't. If you're already a subscriber, tell them you're in and that I sent you. All right? If you do a VR, you get 3 more chances. If you say you're in, you get 1. That's 4. And if you send somebody from your channel, you get 1 more. All right? So get on over there and check James out. All right. Link to the video is in the description below and to his channel. Okay? All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. I'm out.